Hello and welcome to my video. So if you are looking for the best hosting provider for your WooCommerce store this year, I highly recommend you to try Cloudways. And you will find the link in the description, and I will explain you why, in my opinion, this is the best hosting provider and why you should choose it. So first of all, let's start how this works. So Cloudways isn't like any shared hosting or any other hosting provider like HostGator or Bluehost, the ones you might be used to it. And Cloudways, they offer cloud management services. So that means you'll be hosting your WooCommerce store on, let's say, different servers. You could choose a server like DigitalOcean or any other, and you will have a very simple dashboard. You will not have cPanel dashboard like you might be used to in shared hosting plans. So it's very simple. I will show you how to set up your WooCommerce store, how to set up a server, and why I think this hosting provider is so great. It's because it's fast, it's cheap, it costs just $10 per month, and yeah, it's very cheap. It has plenty of great features. It has content delivery network, so it's very easy to activate it and use it. It comes with a cache plugin, which is Breeze. It's also free and easy to use it, and it comes with many other features as well. It has the latest PHP version, and in other video, if you are interested how to speed up your WooCommerce store or WordPress website, I will talk more in depth how you can do it using Cloudways hosting or any other hosting. So alright, compared to other hosting providers, let's say to shared ones like HostGator, I used HostGator about 2 years ago to host my the same website which I'm hosting right now on Cloudways, and I had major issues with it. Once I started getting more traffic to my website, let's say I had about 30 live users on any time, and my website started to crash. It used to lose connection to database. I used to contact support, and support used to tell me, yeah, they're gonna resolve this issue, and they never told me what was happening. But in reality, I needed a better hosting provider. At least I needed a better hosting plan, but I was never told about it, and I can't even imagine how many customers I lost that month. So later on, I moved on to VPS in motion hosting. I bought a VPS, virtual private server, and it was quite expensive. First year I paid about $600, and the second year it was over $1,000. So I had to look for cheaper alternatives, because I wasn't hosting more websites, it was just this one website. So I found Cloudways, and since then, like I said, I never had any issues with it. It's very easy to use, it's very simple to set up, and once you start using it, you will see how simple it is. Alright, so I will show you a very quick guide how to set up a server. So all you have to do is just create an account. Like I said, you'll find a link in the description. And once you have done this, just go to your dashboard. Of course, as you can see, I have 2 servers right here. You will not have any of them, so all you have to do is just click right here, add server, and just select your application. So as you can see, there are plenty of different options available, but you want to select WordPress, and as you can see, you can select WordPress 5.3 with WooCommerce version, the latest WooCommerce version. So select this one, just add name of your managed app. It's up to you. It's like, I'm just gonna name it whatever, and the managed server, name your managed server. So I will be using DigitalOcean, so I will name it this way, Woo. Alright, so once you're done naming your app and your server, all you have to do is just to select the server. So as you can see, we have 5 different options available. As I said, I'm using DigitalOcean. It's the cheapest one, and I never had any issues with it. So as you can see, 1 gigabyte plan with a 1 gigabyte RAM, it costs $10 per month. When you are starting out, I believe it's gonna be more than enough. And in any case, if you will start getting more traffic and you will see that your server isn't powerful enough, you will be able to upgrade your server, and I will show you how easy it's done. You will see how simple it is. If you are starting out, or if your website, the WooCommerce store, isn't very large, you're not getting too much of traffic. I'm getting about 1K visitors per day, and the plan of 1 gigabyte RAMs is more than enough. And all you have to do is just select location. So if you'll be conducting most of your business, let's say if in United States, obviously you should select San Francisco or New York. And let's say if you're gonna be conducting most of your business in Europe, so you should select Amsterdam or any other location which is in Europe. So it's up to you. Most of the time I select New York because most of my users are from United States. In any case, I use content delivery network, so I don't really care about server location. If you are interested how to speed up your website and you want to learn more about content delivery network, you should check my other videos. So alright, once you're done, just click launch now, and within the next couple of minutes you should have your server ready. And to access your WooCommerce store, all you have to do is just go to your servers. You will have your server right here. Let's say I will click on this server, and yeah, these are master credentials, but these are not for accessing your website. Like I said, once you will start getting more and more traffic to your website, and you will see that your server isn't powerful enough, it's just too weak right now, you will be able to upscale it. It's very easy. All you have to do is just go here, vertical scaling, and all you have to do is just scale your plan. Just move this right here and click scale now. That's it. That's all you have to do. And to find out if you need to scale your server, it's very simple. Just go to monitoring, and right here, as you can see, summary, you can see how much of RAM your website is using. So this particular website of mine is using 520 megabytes, and as you can see, it has lots of free space available, so I don't really need to scale my server. So in details, you can find what is CPU usage. So if your CPU usage right here is always below 10 or 20%, this is a very good indication that you have to scale your plan. But like I said, if you are just starting out, you don't really need to worry about it. Right now I'm getting over 1K visitors every single day, and I don't have any issues. I don't really even need to think about scaling my server. So to access your website, just go right here, application. It's gonna be your app name. So as you can see right here, you will see admin panel. So using this URL, you will be able to access your website. So here you will have your username. Your username is gonna be your email, and the password. Password will be generated automatically. Also, I'm planning to add more videos how you can migrate your existing WooCommerce store from, let's say, from HostGator hosting or Bluehost hosting to Cloudways. It's very simple. I will show you how it's done in other videos. So please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a like for algorithm, of course. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.